In this video, we're going to be showing you how we connect our Insta360 Mic Pro to our Luna Ultra. This is a rather straightforward process, so let's jump into it. The first thing we need to do is power on our Luna Ultra. We can do that just by rotating the screen here and letting it boot up. Once it is powered on, we will then need to access the settings. So we'll swipe down on the screen and then navigate to wireless mic. Now within the wireless mic options, we do see that we have options for microphone 1 and mic 2. Before we get to that, we need to power on our Mic Pro. On the very bottom, there is the power button. We will press and hold this until it vibrates and we see a light appearing, indicating that it is turned on. With the mic now powered on, we can then go back to our Luna Ultra and tap on the slot we want to connect it to. So we will connect it to microphone 1. Now to pair this mic, we need to press the power button 3 times rapidly. Our Luna timed out, so we will just hit retry and give it another go. So pushing it 3 times rapidly, you can see that it begins to blink quite a bit faster, and now the Luna is picking up that we have a Mic Pro next to it. We'll simply tap on it, and now we are connected and good to go. With the mic now paired, we can then record and have all that audio be coming straight through the microphone into the camera. And it also shows us how much space we have left on the mic, as well as the battery. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.